This video demonstrates how to convert Solid Edge part file to SolidWorks part file. After you start SolidWorks, you can open Solid Edge part file from there. For example, the cable is a Solid Edge part file. Click Open. Wait for upload. Then click the tick on right top corner. Then click on Save. Left top corner. Save to the folder you want to save. Click on Save. And click on this Close. Double check. I open the cable, see where it is there. It is there. Click Open. Okay. And save again. Close. So that is converted. To do the other one, you do the same. For example, to find hook of the Solid Edge file, and click Open, wait to upload it, and click green tick, and click on Save, and click on Save. Click to close. Open again in the SolidWorks. See whether we have that hook in SolidWorks format, and click Open. Once it's open, click Save. Then it is saved. You can close it. You can convert Solid Edge file to SolidWorks file in this way. That's it for this video.